It's a great day at APQS because we get to make someone's dreams come true thanks to the APQS Quilt Forever long arm giveaway. Time to call the winner. Let's put it on speaker so you can hear too.
Hello.
Hi, is this Donna?
Yes, it is.
Hey Donna, this is Dawn Cavanaugh with APQS Quilting calling.
Hi.
Hi, I have some great news for you.
Really?
Really? Guess what? You've just won an APQS Millennium.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm not
Oh my
kidding.
God. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
You bet, you are the winner.
Oh, really? Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Take a breath. Take a breath.
Yeah, exactly. And I think I'll sit down now.
You can sit down. How exciting is that? You're going to be able to quilt forever with an APQS Millie.
Wow, I guess, yes. I never expected this call.
Well, I'm glad that you answered your phone. We're excited to bring that to you.
Yeah, and I figured because, the draw was, I thought, on Friday. Well, if you don't hear from them, after Friday afternoon,
Sure.
you're out of luck, but I guess not.
Well, you're right. It's your lucky day, kiddo.
Wow. Well, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Tell you what, I'll let you catch your breath. Take a breath.
Okay.
We'll give you a call back a little bit later and work out all the details. Congratulations from our family at APQS and welcome to ours.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dawn.
You bet, Donna. We'll be talking soon.
Okay. Thank you.
You
Bye.
bet. Bye-bye. Well, Donna's super excited. She's going to be quilting on her brand new APQS Millie valued at $19,700. Be sure to enter next time. We might be calling you.